Okay, so we had basically a group of UIUC Mumbai, and we also had a group from the College Pond side. They do bifurcate students according to the universities, right? So from there and from the UIUC Mumbai group, we kind of made small groups who are like compatible with each other. So we had a Google form regarding vegetarian, non-vegetarian options and everything, and we chose accordingly. So before coming, I would just suggest one thing to everyone, that do meet your roommates, have one or two social outings so that you can get along well, and then after coming over here, it becomes really easy. The amount which the leasing offices do mention are the exact amount, so we cannot negotiate on that. But yeah, regarding the deposit and everything, you have to pay deposit before coming over here. You can always tell them to pay the rent after entering the place. Depending on how people stay, like if you stay in a 3 BR or a 2 BR or 4 BR, maximum a person would spend in Champagne would be around 400 or 450 for the rent part. That would include all the utilities, and then groceries depends on how students take it. Like we do have Indian store nearby, we do have Walmart, we do have Aldi's, so and everything is quite cheap. If you are sharing between three or four of y'all, then it would be really manageable. Maximum spent is around 100. That's it. So within $600 you can manage easily in UIUs. It was a bit difficult in starting, because you'll be completely new environment, and you'll be having a lot of things as you enter US. You have to open bank account. You'll be attending orientations. You have to look after your SIM card and everything. So you won't get time at all. When the winter starts around September, October, and when the environment becomes really, really dull, that time is when you feel more homesick. So I would say around 10 days before would be perfectly fine. Our times it was mandatory. I'm not pretty sure about this time, but yeah, we should attend orientation, because I guess it is just 2 days before the actual class starts. It is not that useful, but networking is really important in US. On that day, every faculty and every member of UIUC, especially of IM, would be there, information management. So you should go and talk to every faculty, every even the dean would be there. You can just go and talk to other people, make new friends. So the mandatory courses always have a lot of population. So it would be around 60, 70 at a time. But the remaining courses and the famous one would nearly have maximum sit they open for any particular course is 30 to 40. Especially this course has around 60 to 65% of Indians, and remaining are Chinese, I would say. Hardly 1 or 2% is American. Around from 60, I would say around 40 of them have had a work experience. UIUC has this ARC center where everything is included in one building. You have different courts for basketball, football, and everything. There is a badminton court as well. Then there is indoor, outdoor swimming pool. So gym, everything is there in that building. So people spend a lot of time going there.